Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Hopes and Dreams on violin. Let's start by locating the main melody, which primarily uses the A and E strings. It's crucial to use clear, sustained bowing from the very beginning to achieve that full, resonant sound. Take your time with the opening phrase, practicing it slowly and deliberately. This careful approach will build a strong foundation for the entire piece, ensuring each note rings true and clear. Next, let's focus on the intricate rhythms and precise fingerings. Hopes and Dreams features many 16th note passages, so a metronome will be your best friend for maintaining a consistent tempo. Practice these faster sections slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed. Accurate finger placement is absolutely essential for good intonation, so make sure each note is perfectly in tune. This attention to detail will make your performance shine. Now, let's bring out the emotional depth of Hopes and Dreams through dynamics and expression. The piece calls for a wide range, from very soft pianissimo to powerful fortissimo. Experiment with vibrato on longer notes to add warmth and a singing quality. Vary your bow speed and pressure to shape each musical phrase, creating a compelling narrative. These expressive elements will truly elevate your performance, making it captivating for your audience. Finally, let's discuss some effective practice strategies to master this piece. When you encounter a difficult passage, break it down into smaller, manageable segments and practice them individually. Consistent, daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, is far more effective than infrequent long sessions. Also, try recording yourself playing. Listening back can reveal areas for improvement you might otherwise miss. This systematic approach will help you achieve your best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.